Cutaway diesel engine with dual overhead camshaft system and common rail injection system, visible and accessible components such as the engine block, crankshaft, dual overhead camshaft, timing chain, and alternator belt, and all other necessary components. It allows for practical demonstrations of timing chain and auxiliary drive belt replacement. Learn the intricacies of engine components, including the piston rings, combustion chamber, intake and exhaust ports, and DOHC mechanism through real-time visualization. Develop practical skills in timing chain and alternator belt replacement, using original components such as tensioners, sprockets, and the crankshaft, with the ability to simulate torque moments using specialized tools. To learn more, visit AutoEDU.com or contact our team.